Hi and welcome back to Cheeky Crypto. My name's Chris and every day we bring you up-to-date news, technical analysis, we highlight hidden gems so you can do your research, make a ton of cash, getting in super early to some of these wonderful projects before anybody talks about them. If you like making money in crypto, hit the like button, subscribe, tap the bell, select all notifications so you never miss a thing. And today I'm going to be talking about Coinbase, and I'm also going to be talking about the transfer of Messi from Barcelona to PSG. Some fantastic news around more adoption for cryptocurrency, and I know what you're thinking. How does this Messi deal from Barcelona to PSG actually have anything to do with crypto? So let's get down to the desktop and let's see what's going on here. So here we are. Messi's transfer to PSG includes payment using crypto fan tokens, which is really interesting, right? And we'll get into the article and we'll talk about what's going on here. So as a free transfer, Messi signed a deal worth £53.8 million per season before tax deductions are made. So, huge amounts of money here, not that he really needs it. So Messi's transfer to PSG included a payment in cryptocurrency fan tokens, a source close to the matter said, providing another big name endorsement for the new digital assets. So Messi, 34, left Barcelona, signed a 2-year contract with PSG with an option of a 3rd year on Tuesday. PSG said in a statement the tokens included in his welcome package or signing on fee had been provided by Socius.com, who are the club's fan token provider. The club did not state what percentage the deal comprised of, in regards to the tokens. But it was I imagine it's a large number, right? Although it hasn't been disclosed overall financial package, that is. So fan tokens are a type of cryptocurrency that allow holders to vote on mostly minor decisions related to their club. Among the clubs to launch tokens this year are Premier League champions Manchester City and AC Milan have also gone into this as well. Like Bitcoin and other digital currency, fan tokens can be traded on exchanges. They also share in common with other cryptocurrencies a tendency for wild price swings, lending some financial regulators to issue warnings to investors. So, the usual stuff that we would all know about cryptocurrency. PSG said that there had been a high volume trading for its fan tokens after reports of Messi's move to the club emerged, and that doesn't seem like a surprise at all. The hype surrounding the latest signing of the club's busy summer transfer window created a huge surge in interest in PSG fan tokens with trading volumes exceeding $1.2 billion in the days preceding the move, it said. So the fan tokens price move can have little connection to on-field performance or results. PSG's token, which has a market capitalization of around $52 million, soared over 130% in 5 days amid speculation of Messi's arrival to an all-time high of around $60 on Tuesday. It was down about 10%. After that, or when this article was written. So, for me, this is again massive news when you consider adoption. I've been talking about sport and adoption for crypto quite a bit on the channel recently because I do think it's a big deal, and you don't get any bigger than literally, I guess, as most would claim, the best player to probably have ever graced this planet when it comes to football, right? So loads of potential new investors looking into cryptocurrencies and fan tokens. So I think this is really interesting, and I think it's fantastic for the space. So the next thing I want to talk about here is Coinbase smashing more revenue records, bringing in over $2 billion in the second quarter. For me, I'm not going to go into all of this. It's remarkable. It's increased by 8.8 million, so up 44% from quarter one. For me, again, this is just demonstrating everything that I'm talking about when I'm talking about the rate of adoption for crypto here. When you look at football, for example, 1 in every 2 people, 1 in every 3 people are like a soccer fan or a football fan, right? As it's called here in the UK. So this is big for adoption, and we're seeing this in record numbers for some of the exchanges as well. So what we're talking about here when we're talking about like crypto.com and their sponsorships with UFC and Formula One and World Mobile with Fulham and others with like Watford and the fan tokens and the participation from football clubs or soccer clubs around the world. Then you've got the NFL and stuff like that in the US and various other crypto deals that are going on, which is again just bringing more and more people into crypto, right? People are going to be looking on the shirts of some of these clubs or on the cars or the t-shirts that some of these UFC fighters are wearing and thinking crypto.com, what's this? Go look it up and they'll see all this cryptocurrencies start reading up and start to get into it, right? So it's interesting. You're going to start to see more and more people wearing these shirts as well, the replica shirts that are sold in some of the clubs, like Fulham's football shirt, for example. You're going to see people walking around with World Mobile everywhere you look, down in parts of London. So, for me, this is just remarkable stuff. And I think we're going to see this trend continue. It's starting to leak out. I think I read somewhere that, out of the top 100 banks, 55% of them have got exposure to cryptocurrency, right? Although they're sort of, I guess, holding hands and telling people it's really bad and evil. So, don't be put off by that. But I do expect, the road to be bumpy when it comes to cryptocurrency over the next sort of few weeks and months. It's not going to go straight up in a straight line. But for me, I really wanted to just do a quick video just covering off what I'm seeing in the space, right? Because this stuff is massive for adoption of crypto. And I know I keep banging the drum, but I think we should be keeping an eye on this stuff. And I think it's something to behold. We're part of a marketplace that's really, really small at the moment, and we're watching history unfold right in front of our eyes. And for me, I think this is a great way to articulate to everybody out there, this trend is only going to continue in an upward sort of direction over a period of time. So don't worry so much about these dips and pullbacks, even if they are 20, 30, 40% or more, because long term, crypto is going to be a dominant force, in the space. And we've got some fantastic video content that we're going to be putting out probably next week, and it's going to be fantastic for you guys to get an insight from insiders as to what is actually happening in crypto, right, and where blockchain technology is heading. Really looking forward to some of the amazing content that we're putting together this week, ready to go out next week. So you should really enjoy some of this, and it'll make a change from listening to the likes of Nick, myself, and various other influencers in the space talking about where we're heading. I think it's going to be great to be hearing this from the inside from some of the most prominent projects in the space. So really looking forward to getting some of this content out. Do let me know in the comments below what you think about this messy deal and how it incorporates crypto payment in fan tokens. Really interested to get your views and opinions. Do you think this is something that's going to be a catalyst for more adoption of crypto or not? let me know in the comments below. Really interested to know. So thank you for watching the video today. I hope you found it informative and useful. Don't forget to hit that like button. It really does support the channel immensely when you do that, and just push out the content to like-minded individuals. And if you're not subscribed, subscribe, tap that bell, select all the notifications so you never miss any content, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.